The H2O X5 Steam Mop is not just for cleaning floors. You can use it to clean toilets, tubs, sinks, faucets, windows, and more. Here I have detached the mop head and attached the extension hose to the handheld unit. Now I can use the nozzle to clean my sink and kitchen faucet. When I'm done steaming, I usually take a towel to wipe away the moisture, and then I'm left with a clean and shiny sink and faucet. And the beauty of it is I never had to get my hands wet nor soapy to clean the sink and faucet. Next, I'm going to remove the extension hose and attach the short bent nozzle to the handheld unit. And then I will twist on one of the little round brushes to the end of the nozzle. Now I can clean my really dirty windowsills and sliding door and really get into those hard to clean grooves and edges. The brush helps to dislodge any dirt and debris that may be stuck in the cracks. And then when I'm done, this is what I'm left with. And this was cleaned entirely without any cleaning solution at all. I can also use the H2O X5 Steam Mop to clean my windows and glass doors. Here I'm attaching the microfiber window cleaning cloth to the squeegee attachment. It's a little hard to explain how to attach the two pieces together, so I'll just show you. When the cloth is wrapped around the squeegee, I use the tie to tighten everything so the cloth stays in place. And if you have done it correctly, the microfiber cloth should stay securely on the squeegee attachment. Then I attach the squeegee to the extension hose, which is already attached to the handheld unit. Now I'm ready to clean my doors and windows, and the squeegee makes it very convenient to wipe away the residual steam on the windows without leaving any streaks. And the extension hose, being 33.5 inches long, allows me to reach the entire length of the window and door easily without having to lift the handheld unit. And here I'm just showing you how you can attach the microfiber garment cloth so you can steam your clothes as well. It's a great alternative, especially if you don't have an iron or if your iron is prone to leaving burn marks on your clothes and fabric.